Hey there, it's Robbie Susan Chandler here from RobbieSusanCardsandCrafts.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. Today I'm here to share with you card number 5 in my series of Fa La La Friday holiday cards. And the card we're looking at today is one with the Rockin' Horse stamp set and die. Now, I know you're thinking, yeah, that's a cute card, but let me show you what makes it even cuter. It wobbles. It wobbles. It's on a little wobble thing, and I'll show you those in a minute. That makes the Rockin' Horse rock. Cute, huh? And then when you open it up, I have a holly jolly Christmas. So let's look at this card real quick, and this is a very quick and easy card to make. So let's start out with our card base, which is shaded spruce, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're just going to fold it in half, and we have our card base. And then on top of that, we have this beautiful paper from the set, from the designer's paper called Joyful Specialty Designer Paper. And this piece is 4 by 5 1/4. And this is the pack of paper it comes from. This is one of the sheets in it, but there's also music notes, holly and berries, which I used on a card a few weeks ago, and this wood grain look. Like I said, it's called Joyful Designer Series paper. So we're just going to glue that to the front. And then on the inside, the very vanilla piece is 4 by 5 1/4. And the stamps I used for this are from Perfectly Plaid, was the tree, which is retired unfortunately. And then the Merry Christmas is actually from the Rockin' Horse set. So here's the Merry Christmas, and then here's our Rockin' Horse die we're going to use. And here's the Holly Jolly Christmas from Holly Jolly Wishes. Alright, so let's look at our, well, we've got these two pieces together now. We've got our card front and we've got our insides done. So let's work on the horse. So the horse is stamped on very vanilla, and I heat embossed it with gold embossing powder. And then I colored his mane and the tail and the stirrups with dark crumb cake. And then the blanket and some of the reins and this part of the rocker I colored in with dark cherry cobbler blend. And I'll tell you why I did this part. Now the other parts of the Rockin' Horse and all of these pieces came out of here. Here's the Rockin' Horse. Here's this piece that I cut from gold foil. Here's a little saddle piece. And then we also have a little bear and the bear bow. Aren't those cute? So, here's my Rockin' Horse. I've already heat embossed it with gold embossing powder and colored in these pieces. Now, the reason I colored the rocker is because when you put this down, there's little holes in there. And if you don't, it's ivory, which I kind of liked the cherry copper look through it better. So this piece goes here, and your saddle goes right there, just like that. Cute, huh? Alright, so here we have one put together. Now, I was telling you about you know what, let's put our cinnamon on first, just so we'll know where to put our horse. So our cinnamon was cut with Labels of Glow dies. That's this set, and we used this long one. And the Merry Christmas came from Rockin' Horse, and it's all stamped in our shaded spruce ink. And I put the little bear together with his bow and put some dimensionals on the back. So let's go ahead and pop it down on the front of our card. Alrighty. Oh, one thing about this plaid design, you can get everything straight because you just line it up on the lines. Cool. And one reason I used this plaid Christmas tree, I felt like it mimicked the plaid on the front. Alright, so back to the Rockin' Horse. He's going to go here, and see, that's why I wanted to put this down first so I know how high to put him up. But these are what I use on the back. They're little things with a spring. Can you see that? And they have a top and a bottom. And this is actually the side that's going to go on the Rockin' Horse, and I'll show you why in just a second. But this is the label, the package they come in, and I actually get these off Amazon. And they come in, these are the small ones, and they have larger ones too, but on this horse I just wanted to use these smaller ones. So when you peel this backing off, You see one side is white, one side is clear. And I like the clear part to be down on my horse, so I put the side that's white up on the horse's body. Let me move up here. I went and got out of my camera range. Okay, I stick this one down here, and then I just turn it over, come over to my card base, and find where I want him to be, and just place it down and give it a good seal. You want to make sure that that seal stays on the back. And there we go, we have our rocking horse. How do you like that? That was pretty quick and easy, wasn't it? So I hope you like this card, and if you haven't looked at cards 1, 2, and 3, and 4 in my series, go back and take a look at those. And if you don't have a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. And until we stamp together again, which will be next Friday when I do card number 6. Oh, and look out, because I might do an extra rocking horse card that I've got in mind I'd like to share with you. But anyway, until then, happy crafting!